biglang papasok sa kwarto mo. Wala naman tayong problema eh. Ano bang problema natin?
Mga tao! Huwag kayong bakla!
You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees. Sabi ni SRLD, niya, considering that as requested, Attorney Soraya Lopez has been examined by the physician and cleared to receive the Center Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, si MK Validator, may text tayo galing kay SRLD Luna. Ma'am, sabi ni SRLD Luna, tapos na yun. To General Victoria from SRLD Luna, as for Attorney Soraya Lopez, the Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torres, as Representative Pan, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the unfettered access of her personal physician during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full disciplinary rights of the following people: Dr. Rosa, Senator Marcos, and President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all hospital safety guidelines will be followed as hospital policies on this occasion. Ito pa yan, for safety, we need to fly time. Dito, maraming liquids na. Dito naman mo, sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni BP. Ma'am, sasakay po kayo. Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni BP. Kasama niyo po si BP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center. Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni BP. Sure, we are going to yes, promise. Hindi naman si BP. They are just in one car. Ano na? Hindi ko namin iiwan.
Bibigyan nyo ng magandang ano dyan. Padaan. Bibigyan nyo dyan lang mama.
Hindi, baka maano.
Doon ka na, Ching. Wala.
Dito kami sa likod mo, mama.
Ano na siguro ito?
Muna ako ha. Next.
Atras muna, atras. Ipa-atras sabi mo, nag-sabay si mo. Abutin mo yung ano. Abutin mo yung ano.
Hindi nyo ba nakita yun? Hindi nyo nakita yun? Suspect? Hindi ito convict.
Ma'am, dadalhin po namin yung St. Luke's. Dadalhin din po namin yung St. Luke's.
Kanina, sinabihan kayo sa St. Luke's. Dinala nyo dito.
Hindi ko po ma'am alam.
Ay,
Ibang driver
naku,
po yun.
Naku, sir. Hindi.
Ibang driver po yun. Hindi
sir.
po namin alam yun.
But you did what you did. We saw it. We saw it. We saw on video. Huwag, sir. Asan na yung abogado? Asan na yung abogado ni Laika? Yan. Ditingi lang yan ng consent.
Sir, nung nanggaling kami ng Batasan, sinabi ko St. Luke's kami pupunta. Dito niya kami sa Veterans Day.
Oo.
So what is that? That you will bring them to St. Luke's.
Saan yan pupunta, sir? Nakita mo yung kondisyon niya? Paano tatakbo yan? Paano tatakbo yan?
So sir, sumunod kayo, sir.
Sir, sumunod kayo ng lawful orders. Huwag yung alam nyo na injustice na siya sa mga tao. Huwag kayong bakla. Tama. Tama.
Gusto niyo po?
Taas ninyo sa tingin nyo, mga pulis.
Naniniwala ako na it was attempted homicide because she feared for her life. Pag nakakita siya ng uniform ng police, ma'am, natataranta siya. Kasi imagine mo ba naman, 9 biglang papasok sa kwarto mo. Wala naman tayong problema eh. Ano bang problema natin? Nandoon nakadetain yung tao. Mag-a-attend ng hearing. Nagbibisita kami. Sinusunod namin yung oras ng pagbisita. I don't know, understand. Why do you have to antagonize a detainee who is fully cooperating sa lahat ang kailangan niyang gawin para matapos lang ang hearing na yan na money-making scheme ng mga congressman.
We are going to transport Asik Laika from St. Luke's Hospital to Veterans Hospital. This is in compliance with the directive of the House of Representatives to Major General Napoleon Taas as the Sergeant at Arms. The PNP is assisting him in this order for the transfer of medical facility for Attorney Zulaika Lopez, dated November 23, 2024. Ang nakasulat dito, considering that as requested, Attorney Zulaika Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared by the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees to government facilities for immediate implementation and signed by the authority of the Speaker.